What you going goodies? Welcome back to your girl channel. Today I'm going to be cooking some beef kidney, authentic Jamaican brown stew beef kidney. So here are my beef kidney. I already cut it up and wash it and season it from overnight. So I went in with garlic powder, onion powder, Maggi seasoning. So I use the Maggi all-purpose and the Maggi chicken. I also use some Cool Runnings meat seasoning, paprika, and some black pepper. So I'm gonna go in and I'm going to add my beef to the oil. So I have a pot on the stove right now, goodies, with my oil, and to the pot I'm going to add a tablespoon of minced garlic, and also I'm going to add some ginger, about half tablespoon of ginger. I'm using the ginger paste, but you can use fresh ginger if you have fresh ginger. Just add about an inch of fresh ginger and allow this to, kind of like burn in the oil for a little second or so. Now I'm going to go in with my browning. I did not add the browning last night because that's just my preference. So you can marinate with the browning if you want. It's just me. So now I'm going to add my beef kidney to the pot. And you don't want to overburn your garlic. So just as soon as it starts to change color, you can add your beef kidney. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to allow this to like fry up for about 5 minutes. And then I'm going to come back and I'm going to add the water. So I'm just going to continue stirring and let it fry up for a bit. So as you can see here, goodies, I already stir this up. You can see the change in color. So while that is frying up, goodies, I've gone ahead and I've prepared some vegetables. So I have some bell peppers here, some thyme, and some onion. You can also add the vegetables that you like. So now, goodies, as you can see, started frying. So I'm going to add the water now. And I'm just using the water from the plate. I just add water to the same plate that I seasoned my meat in, just to get out the remainder of seasoning that's left back into the plate. Alright, so just gonna spin this up. You want to add enough water to cook your beef kidney because it can be chewy. So as you can see, I had enough water here, and I'm adding a Maggi cube, and I'm just gonna cover this down and allow it to cook. After about 10 minutes, I'm going to go in with my seasoning that I have prepared before. So as you can see here, as you can see, the water reduces a little bit as well. So that's when you want to go in with your seasoning. Make sure you feel the kidney and see if it cooked first. Alright, goodies, look at that. As you can see, it's about 25 minutes, 25 to half an hour. I've been cooking the kidney and it looks pretty done to me. It tastes really well. I'm going to, however, allow the gravy to go down just a little bit more, not too much, just to get a little more thickness. But I do need the gravy to eat my rice. I'm making this with rice. You can eat it with dumplings, your favorite roti, whatever, on a bed of vegetable. It's your choice. It's very flexible. Alright, goodies, so this is the final result. Let me know what you think about my beef kidney recipe. If you will be trying this recipe, please let me know. If you're new here, please subscribe to the channel, like the video, share the video. Okay, my goodies? Yes, and see, I dished it out and I made some saltfish with cabbage. If you want to see my saltfish and cabbage recipe, let me know. Okay, my goodies, alright, thank you for watching. Until next time, walk good and let the good Lord bless you.